Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you 6 different ways to find the long tail keywords. So let's start. We are going to see how you can find the long tail keywords with Google Suggest, Keyword.io, how you can find the keywords from Quora and Reddit. Answer the Public is a platform to find the long tail keyword. I'm going to show you how. Then Google Ad Keyword Planner is an inbuilt keyword research tool inside Google Ads platform. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you one keyword analyzing tool, SEM Scoop. So watch this video till end. So let's start with Google Suggest. Best gaming laptops is our topic. Just enter your topic name and hit the space bar. Whatever session you get from Google are actually the long tail keywords that you can use in your topic. Alright, you can try different variations of your topic name to get more keywords. Also, when you hit the enter, it will show you result. At the end, you can find LSI keywords. So these are the related searches that people are doing for your topic. So you can make use of these keywords as well. Alright, so that was Google Suggest. Now we will see how you can find the keywords with a free keyword research tool that is called as a Keyword.io. Let's see. So Keyword.io is a free keyword research tool. With keywordresearch.io, you can find keywords from different sources such as Google, YouTube, Amazon, and also even you can find the keywords for your Play Store app if you are an app developer and you want to know the keywords for specific app. Alright, so let's start. We want keywords from Google. We have to type here in our topic name. Best gaming laptop, and select the country or the region you want to target and just press the search. This will say you to create a free account. You can create a free account or you can just ignore this message. So here at the left side you can see the gaming laptops, the keywords for the gaming laptops topic. You can choose, let me choose few. Whatever you choose will appear here. So from here you can export it as a Excel or just copy these keywords. Alright, so that was Keyword.io. Now we will see how we can make use of Quora to find the long tail keywords. Alright, let's start. Go to Google and type your keyword topic name. When you type your topic name, add Quora at the end and press enter. So this will give you all the questions that people are asking about your topic on Quora. So you can make use of these questions as a long tail keyword. You can go, you can click one of these and explore more. Let me show you how. Once you are into Quora, you can see at the right side related questions. You can make use of these as a long tail keyword as well. So that was the Quora. Let me show you how you can make use of Reddit to find the long tail keywords. So inside Google again, type your topic name and add Reddit. You can also go year wise if you want to be more specific. Here you can see there are subreddits on Quora where people are discussing about your topic name. So you can pick keywords from there as well. Best gaming laptops under under the price, so you can make use of this as a long tail keywords as well. So that was Quora and Reddit. So now let me tell you how you can make use of the platform called Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a free platform to explore the long tail keywords. Let's see how. Once you are into answerthepublic.com, see answerthepublic.com, here you have to enter your topic name. And just hit the search button. So Answer the Public platform will give you long tail keywords. You can see these are the long tail keywords for your topic, best gaming laptop. You can explore more on this platform. Okay, so that was Answer the Public. Now Google has a keyword planner inside their Google Ads platform. Let's see how we can make use of that. Go into your Google Ads account. Inside Tools and Settings, you can find Keyword Planner. Click on Keyword Planner. There are two options. You can discover new keywords or get search volume for already the keywords that you have. We want to discover new keywords, so let's click here. Let's enter our topic name. And click on Get Results. So Google Keyword Planner is a good tool to find the keywords. Okay, so it will also give you average monthly searches and competition. It is advised that if you are a new blogger, then go with the medium competition, and if you are a well-established site, then you can go with the high competition as well. You can see monthly searches here, and based on the monthly searches and competition, you can decide the keyword. So that was the list where you can actually explore and find out the keywords for your next topic for your blog post. Now I'm going to tell you about one tool, which is a free tool to analyze the keywords. We have the keyword list with us, but it's hard to decide on what topic we should write on. So based on the monthly search and keyword difficulty, you can write the content on, but that is not only thing we need to understand. We also need to know more about the keywords. So Keyword Analyzer is a SEM Scoop Keyword Analyzer is the best tool to know everything about a keyword. Let's see how. Go to semscoop.com. It's a keyword tool. Then you can find keyword tool option here. Click on that. Suppose we have chosen these keywords. Let's copy these keywords, and we have to import these keywords into SEM Scoop keyword tool. Click on Import Keywords. Paste your keywords here and click on Import Keyword again. So this tool will analyze each keyword and give you the data which is necessary. This will take some time and it will give you detailed analysis of each keyword. So SEM Scoop will give you detailed analysis about your keywords, the keyword difficulty, the length of the content you should write about, already ranking domains, their domain authority, and all the necessary things. Alright, so that was it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about digital marketing, SEO, and paid media, you can check out my blog. The link is in the description as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, thank you.